How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and check your volume and sound settings. So press the volume up button multiple times and make sure the volume is set to its fullest in order to be able to clearly listen to the sound. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and then tap on Sounds and Haptics, and then go ahead and simply slide the ringer and alert slider to its fullest. Additionally, go ahead and simply toggle off the toggle button for change with buttons and then change adjust manually. Further, in settings again tap on Bluetooth and go ahead and disable Bluetooth services and then go ahead and disconnect your earbuds and speakers as sometimes the sound might be connected to your Bluetooth devices. Further, you can go ahead and clean your speaker, which is a very common fix. So check the bottom speaker grills of both your iPhone and then use a soft brush or a dry toothbrush in order to clear the speaker grill. Further, you can use gently compressed air in order to clean the speaker too, and make sure not to use water or sharp objects. Now, see if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and open settings again and then tap on sounds and haptics. Further, tap on the headphone safety option you see there and also disable the reduce loud sounds option you see there. You can then go ahead and choose the app for your volume control, as some apps control their own volume. So open YouTube or music app and then make sure that the in-app volume is maxed out. Also, sometimes attention-aware features will lower your sound. So in settings again, tap on Face ID and passcode and toggle off the toggle button for attention aware features. You can also simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart of your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply go ahead and open settings and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Further, tap on reset and then on reset all settings and reset all your settings. Make sure that this will not delete your data but reset your Wi-Fi, sounds, etc. And by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone speaker sound too low. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.